Artificial intelligence now has a scoreboard. Paid adoption, cloud growth, infrastructure spending, transparency, and autonomous defense are moving from promises into operating numbers. Revival AI Daily, July 29, 2026. Today, Microsoft quantifies AI demand, Meta exposes the infrastructure bill, generated media gets a European transparency code, and cyber agents close the defense loop. Story 1. Microsoft's latest results turn artificial intelligence adoption into measurable business scale. Microsoft reported $90 billion in quarterly revenue. Azure and other cloud services grew 43% year over year, while Microsoft 365 Copilot passed 30 million paid seats. Azure annual revenue surpassed $100 billion for the first time. That milestone matters because it connects heavy infrastructure investment with a large, growing commercial platform. For business leaders, adoption beats announcement. Track paid use, workflow depth, retention, and measurable outcomes instead of counting pilots or product launches. Story 2. Meta's results show the other side of the artificial intelligence equation, strong growth paired with rapidly rising cost. Meta's revenue grew 28%, costs rose 55%, and operating margin fell 12 points year over year. Meta spent over $31 billion on capital projects in the quarter. Its annual plan now reaches $145 billion. That is the scale. Artificial intelligence is a balance sheet strategy. Compute contracts, data centers, energy, and talent must map to durable revenue and margin, not just technical ambition. Story 3. Europe has a new transparency code for generated media. Meta points to its existing labels, an experimental detection tool, and work with cross-industry groups, including the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity. It argues that disclosures should be practical and interoperable. The code is a starting point. Labels and technical signals must evolve as generated media changes. Businesses should make provenance travel with every asset, record its origin, meaningful edits, model use, approvals, and disclosure requirements before distribution. Story 4. Microsoft is previewing Project Perception, an agentic system designed to defend organizations against machine speed attacks. Red team agents search for paths to compromise. Blue team agents investigate and prioritize risk. Green team agents take corrective actions, while Microsoft says humans remain in control. Microsoft reports that its specialized cyber model scored 96% on CyberGym, 12 points above Mythos, with almost 50% lower cost than its current configuration. Those are vendor-reported benchmarks. Autonomous security needs explicit authority boundaries, separate discovery, judgment, action, approval, and rollback, so speed does not erase accountability. Your 4 moves: measure real adoption, finance infrastructure against durable economics, preserve content provenance, and constrain autonomous systems with clear authority and rollback. That concludes today's Revival AI Daily Briefing. Subscribe and share it with the person turning artificial intelligence investment into operating results.